GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. Dear children, our next topic, fractions. One question compulsory in our examination. Observe very slowly. Observe the first line. A fraction consists of two numbers. A fraction consists of two numbers. And upper number is called numerator and denoted as a NR. NR numerator. Lower number is called denominator and denoted as a DR. Okay, now children, a fraction consists of the two numbers. Upper number is called numerator. Lower number is called denominator. Fraction written as, look at here all of you, x by y. Fraction written as x by y or a by b, your wish. P by q, anything, okay? Anything. A fraction written as x by y, just now we got a point. Here x is a upper number, so x is called numerator. Y is a lower, y is called denominator. The denominator tells, observe the next point, the denominator tells how many equal parts there are. Suppose this is a fraction a by b, this is b denominator. This denominator indicates how many equal parts there are, how many equal parts they mentioned. Numerator tells how many of these equal parts are taken. How many of these equal parts are taken. Got it? Suppose we have a 10 rupees. Out of 10 rupees, you are using only 1 rupee. So, 1 by 10. Easily you can understand by the diagrams. Observe the first diagram. White color box, one part used. Total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of the 10, one part is the white. In a second example, triangles. In a denominator, you tell me how many triangles we have total parts. In the triangle, how many parts? 1, 2, 3. So denominator is 3. How much part you painted? 1 part. So 1 by 3 is the answer. One more example. Here square given. So total how many parts? 4. Out of the 4, how much part the painted? Different color? It's 1 only. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Got it, students? Next. Very important point. Denominator does not contain the 0. If you take any fraction, a by b is a fraction. So this b does not equal to the 0. Suppose it is 0, the result is undefined. Okay, kids? Observe next point. If you numerator and denominator are equal, the result should be 1. Okay? All of you know about this point. Suppose 10 by 10. So what is the answer? 10 no 10 cancel. Answer 1. You know the point. Not only number. Suppose x by x. So answer 1. Y by y. Answer 1. Numerator and denominator are equal. The result should be 1. Okay, kids? Next point. Now important points started. Type of fractions. We have total how many type of fractions? Fractions are different kinds, such that observe the point. First one, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Main fractions. Proper fraction. As a definition, a fraction means one fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. Suppose x by y is a fraction. X is a numerator, y is a denominator. Numerator is less than its denominator. Numerator is less than. What is the symbol? Less than. Y is the denominator. If numerator is less than the denominator, is called a proper fraction. Shall we take example? 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 10 by 11. So observe every example, numerator is less than its denominator. So it is proper fractions. Next, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called improper fraction. Suppose if we take x by y, observe, here x is compulsory greater than y. That is the point. Numerator is greater than its denominator. So 10 by 4, 20 by 6, 200 by 15. This type. Numerator is greater than its denominator is called an improper fraction. Okay, kids. Next, mixed fraction. Observe, a fraction represented with its quotient and remainder is a mixed fraction. Suppose a small example you can observe, 10 by 3. In a 10 by 3, okay, this 10 how many times cancel by 3? How many times it's cancel? 3. 3 is cancel. 3 is cancel. This 3 is called quotient. Okay, children. So 3 is cancel. 3 3s are 9. Then what is the remainder? What is the extra number? 1. That is remainder. So this 10 by 3 written as 3. What is the remainder? 1 by 3. This is the mixed fraction. Next, like fractions. What is the meaning of like fractions? Observe the definition. Fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions. Same denominator. So 10 by 4, 6 by 4, 15 by 4. Same denominators. So this is like fractions. Suppose in terms of variable a by b, d by b, same denominator, so it is like fractions. Next, unlike fractions, fractions which have different denominators are known as unlike fraction. 7 by 10, 17 by 20, 4 by 17. Here denominators different, so these are called unlike fractions. Next, equivalent fractions. Observe the definition. An equivalent fraction is a fraction. Once again, an equivalent fraction is a fraction that is the same as another fraction with a different denominator. An equivalent fraction is a fraction that is the same as another fraction with a different denominator. That is equivalent fraction. Suppose 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 20 by 15. 4 by 3, okay. The 20 by 15, simplify. 5 fourths, 5 threes. Again the result is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3, 4 by 3, same. This is equivalent fractions. Okay, now children. Next, complex fraction. A fraction which numerator or denominator are both are also a fraction is called complex fraction. Suppose actually this is the fraction. Here x is a maybe fraction, or y also may be fraction, or x also fraction, y also fraction. It is a complex fraction. Suppose 5 by 7 whole by 10, or 7 by 6 by 10, or 5 by 10 whole by 6 by 15. This is complex fraction. Okay, children. Reciprocal fraction. Reciprocal. Next point. Reciprocal fraction. Very easy point. Observe the statement. If numerator and denominator of a fraction are interchanged to each other, then new fractions are called reciprocal fractions. Suppose a by b. Denominator and numerator interchange, so b by a. This is reciprocal fraction. 10 by 7. What is the reciprocal? 7 by 10. Okay, children. My dear children, now we are coming to examples. These complete examples belongs to last 3 years previous questions. Okay. Observe questions. Observe. First question. Read the question. A drum is 2 by 3 full. 2/3 is full. If 50 liters more required to fill it up, how much is the capacity of the drum? That is the question. First, diagrammatic method. Drum. 3 equal parts. These 2 parts already filled. So this is the remaining. This part not filled. So how much required? 50 liters. So one part 50. Total how many parts? 3 parts. How much? Cross multiplication. 3 5s 150. This is the answer as a diagrammatic method. Okay, as a fraction method, observe here right side. A drum is 2/3 filled. If 50 liters more required, so 2/3 filled means what is the remaining? Total 3 parts. Out of the 3 parts, 2 parts filled. What is the remaining? 1. 1/3 of tank 50. Cross multiply. So tank 3 into 50 150. This is the answer. As a diagrammatic way, this is the method. Fraction wise, right side answer. Next example. 1/3 of the number is 15. Find 1/5 of the number. Look at top, observe. 1/3 half means multiplication. Way of half meaning in mathematics multiplication. Bracket I mean. 1/3 of the number. That number we don't know. So x is equal to how much they given? 15th. Cross multiplication. So x is equal to 45. X value. So that number is 45. So now what is our requirement? Find, observe the question, 1/5 of the particular number. So 1/5 of that number. What is that number? 45. 1/5 into 45. How many times cancel? 5 ones, 5 nines. So what is the answer? 9 is the answer. Okay, now children, got it? Every question also previous year question, same kind of the questions coming in our examination.
Geobyte.